Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we'll show you how to create dynamic, styled emails using the Create an Email from Template action in Power Automate. This explores the Create an Email from Template action from our Power Automate connector, Dot. This action helps generate HTML email bodies from templates in your Desk Director admin console. Perfect for crafting responsive emails easily. Leverage styling capabilities for professional emails and use liquid template language for dynamic content customization. In Power Automate, add Create an Email from Template and pick your desired template from the dropdown. If your template includes custom tokens, fill in the required values to personalize your email. Use a send action from another connector, such as Office 365 Outlook. For the email body, choose the output from Create an Email from Template. Switch to Code View if needed. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. Enhance your email workflows with templates in Power Automate. Start creating beautiful emails today. Thanks for watching.